Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to pay with gift card on Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to make payment through your gift card on Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app and simply select the item you want to purchase. So once you have already selected the item, you can simply tap on the bag option. So once you are here, you're in your cart section, so simply tap on the checkout menu. So once you hit the checkout button, you need to now fill in your shipping address as well. So give your first name, last name, your phone number and correct shipping details and hit the save button. After you do so, select a payment method first of all, and once you have selected the payment method, you can simply tap on the gift card option as well. So if you have enough gift card to pay, then you can simply tap on the gift card section only and type in your card number. Once you have typed in your card number, you need to type in the PIN as well and then tap on apply button. So after you do so, you will be able to pay for your goods with your gift card on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.